Hi guys, so we made it to the hotel. Say hi, man. Be polite, okay?
Stop.
Anyways, this is the restroom. It's really cute. And it has a nice bathtub.
Then when I place the recording, you don't want to record.
Stop. Alright. So, here's the closet. A lot of cabinets and the hard box. And we got our sandals, our slippers, and then our bathrobe, which is much needed. And then this thing para planchar, you know, hangers and stuff. And Jeffrey put his clothes already in there. Bye. Okay, so here's the coffee machine. Girl, they provide Starbucks. You already know, gotta come with the cafe latte and water for days. There's some also in the restroom. I don't know if you guys saw it, but we have our own little mini fridge as well, which we already put that water in there because, you know, we keep that thing on us. And here are the more cabinets. Oh, okay. And I just saw this. We get mugs with little spoon and some tea up in there. And here's the little pot for to make the hot tea. And here is a little, little bench. And this is my side of the bed. Okay, I got a king size bed. I'm already charging my phone. Here are my, you know, little glasses. We got the TV here. This little kitchen table with this 2 cute chairs. And this is Jeffrey's side of the bed. As you can see, here's his phone and stuff. And this is another couch thing, but I have my luggage in there. And we got this cute porch, and literally walk down right there and there's the beach where we could do all the activities. So it's really cute. Got the little to chill out there on the porch, and we can literally walk outside through here, which I love because it's short walk to the beach, and the poolside is on the other side. But yeah, it's really cute. By the way, this is the here you go. This is the Marriott Hotel, and it's at Merlin Beach. So yeah, like I said, just a little tour so far that I'm giving you guys, and we're gonna be recording more videos. I did already start uploading a lot of short videos, which they're already up, and these will be coming out soon when I get back, so I can start editing and just uploading them. But yeah, I'll just be uploading short videos for the meantime and just enjoying this vacation. And yeah, we're just gonna relax. We're super tired, jet lagged, and yeah, we just really want to chill today. It's the first day, so yeah, I'll be recording tomorrow. We're starting our activities tomorrow, so I will be recording more tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned.